This is very sad, but what if I told you that SHA was never really about you? That it wasn't about curing patients or providing universal health care, but creating a perfect money printing machine for President William Ruto and his close allies.
Kenyans wametoa maoni yao ukienda kwa hii paper ya Standard. Wanasema this is the best way Ruto ameona idea wa Kenya.
Today, we expose how Ruto, through his proxies, has stolen billions from SHA. And the shocking part is that while EACC sleeps, ordinary citizens have become the real investigators, connecting the dots and humiliating Ruto in public. Let's go.
Teacher medical center registered this year. According to SHA records, in April it received a total amount of 1.5 million Kenyan shillings.
You see, when Ruto created SHA in 2023, he sold it as a solution to Kenya's failing healthcare. Every Kenyan worker was told, pay your SHA premiums, and when you fall sick, SHA will take care of you. But fast forward to 2025, the reality is the opposite. Patients go to hospitals and find systems down, no drugs, no coverage.
There are people who could not walk. We have walked all the way from Kenyatta Hospital. Miguu mpaka huku. Na tumeteremka huko in hiyo NHIF building. Nothing was done. We were not helped. So when we come here, we are coming here as Kenyans and we are asking for whoever is approving or whatever is happening. Can you talk the truth? And that is all I'm requesting as a Kenyan.
Yet, at the same time, billions are flowing out of SHA accounts like water. Why? Because SHA isn't broken. It is working exactly how it was designed to work.
Machaji na manyonyo, sasa kuna kitu inanibamba kama hii scandal ya SHA. Umecheki North Eastern. Ati kuna hospitali imepigwa mita 6, ukienda kuangalia ni Kimawe mtu wangu jo. Ingine tu ni kiwanja hata kuna kitu.
Let's talk about Ladnan Hospital, a private facility in Nairobi that has become the center of the whole scandal. You see, between April and August 2025, Ladnan received 124.9 million from SHA. To compare, Kakamega Level 5 Referral Hospital, serving nearly 2 million people, received almost the same amount. Nyeri County Referral just got 69.6 million. Ladnan is not even a Level 5 facility, but it was treated like one. And where were the most payments processed? Through Ladnan's Elwak branch in Mandera, the same region where, right after SHA was created, 30 plus new hospitals suddenly appeared out of nowhere. This is not coincidence. It is all by design.
We have the health facilities, their names, their bank accounts, and we can account for every shilling we have given to them.
In September 2024, President Ruto personally appointed Dr. Abdi Mohammed as the SHA chair. Now, who is Abdi? Abdi is the co-founder and former CEO of Ladnan Hospital. That means the same man overseeing SHA payouts is tied to one of the biggest private beneficiaries of SHA cash. Conflict of interest doesn't even begin to describe it. Now, after Abdi took over, the number of new hospitals in Mandera skyrocketed. Ladnan's payouts exploded, including 55 million shilling in one single month. Clinics like Ladnan Medical in Wajir received 25 million, more than triple what experts say such a facility could ever handle. This is not healthcare anymore, guys. This is what we call state capture. Now, on March 5th, 2025, Senator Okia Omtata released a bombshell. In a viral video and a petition at Milimani courts, he described SHA as a fraudulent scheme designed to loot Kenyans.
So we are dealing with a situation that is very, very dangerous, that the Ruto government is fully behind it. There's even somebody who just, if you look at the TORs, he's basically in charge of keeping some flash disks. He's being paid 2 million shillings per month. It's more than what we pay the president of Kenya.
In Omtata's words, SHA wasn't built to provide healthcare coverage. It was to extract money from the economy and hand it over to the politically connected.
We are being scammed by people who know what they are doing. It's not accidental. The SHA is not that the SHA chief is not working. It's an extortion scheme. It's supposed to get money out of Kenyans and transfer that money out of the Kenyan economy.
Now, when citizens started asking questions, what did SHA do?
The smoking gun to all this is the fact that yesterday the breaking news was they have taken down facility information. Basically, this is information where this is a facility, this is the amount of money that they have received. I understand this is public information, and then you want to come and tell us about you're not fraudulent?
That's not a glitch, that is a cover-up.
Then you have characters like Aaron Cheriot. Yes, you remember Aaron Cheriot, the one whose WhatsApp messages was leaked over here, where Safaricom's did what to the internet. He puts out a tweet talking about this is war, continue doing what you're doing, and all these things. War against who? You people are a bunch of frauds.
And one more thing, make no mistake. This is all tied back to Ruto. You see, he created SHA. He appointed Abdi Mohammed. His government continues defending SHA even as the evidence of looting keeps piling up. Remember President Ruto's diaspora speech in London? He bragged that his government had closed more than 1,000 hospitals for SHA fraud. But official records only show a few dozen closures. Why exaggerate? Because Ruto knows the numbers don't add up. And he's desperate to control the narrative. But the data is clear. SHA isn't a failed experiment. It is a deliberate funnel. And the billions are flowing to insiders tied directly to Ruto.
Ukiangalia kwa standard paper, utaona Abdi Mohammed, co-founder and former Ladnan CEO, who is the current chair of SHA. Na kuna mtu anaitwa CS Health, Aden Duare hapa, akimtetea ati si pesa wanaiba. I want to tell Kenyans, when SHA ilikuwa inakreatiwa, tulipiga nduru hapa sana. Tukaambia this is a conduit of corruption. Kenyans wametoa maoni yao ukienda kwa hii paper ya standard. Wanasema this is the best way Ruto ameona idea wa Kenya.
And the sad thing is, when the billions vanish, who suffers? It is ordinary Kenyans.
Utasikia health expert wakisema ati hawa watu wanakula pesa za Wakenya kama njugu. I want to tell people who are stealing this money. I want you one of these days uende ushago, uone watu ambao mnaibia hizo pesa. Mama mwenye anafanya kazi ya kulima, leo ameenda akapimiwa place atalima na atalima mpaka jioni na mgongo. Itakuwa inamuuma. Atalipo 400 shillings. Ataweka 100 shillings kando, ajaribu kulipa SHA. 100 ajaribu kulipa vitabu, hiyo ingine ajaribu kulipa unga. Those are the people you are stealing from.
But when the child of such a woman falls sick, the hospital says system iko down. No drugs, no coverage, nothing. Because her sacrifice didn't fund healthcare. It funded the president's inner circle. And here's another irony. The EACC, the institution tasked with fighting corruption, is silent, captured, pocketed by Ruto. So, who's exposing the scandal? It is ordinary Kenyans, data analysts, health experts, whistleblowers like Omtata. Citizens have become the real EACC. They are the ones connecting the dots, following the money, and humiliating Ruto in broad daylight.
Before you go to sleep, I just want to tell you this. Even SHA has decided to go to sleep. It's now 10:30 p.m. I'm trying to log in to the website. SHA is not in his own website.
So let's conclude this. SHA was supposed to heal the nation. Instead, it has become a disease that is eating Kenya from the inside. And now, the evidence is undeniable. Ruto's fingerprints are all over the missing billions. From his appointment of Abdi Mohammed, to the mushrooming of ghost hospitals in Mandera, to the millions funneled into Ladnan Hospital, the trail leads back to him. So, when Ruto stands on a podium and insists that SHA works, remember this. SHA works, yes, but it works for him, not for you. This is not healthcare. This is looting with receipts. And now, thanks to ordinary Kenyans, the receipts are out in the open. So if you found this breakdown eye-opening, don't just watch and walk away. Share it, talk about it, because the only way we stop this looting machine is for Kenyans to know the truth. Subscribe.